What are the charges for transferring money from Nedbank to Capitec Cellphone Banking?
Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss a very important topic: the charges for transferring money from Nedbank to Capitec using cell phone banking. Money transfer fees can add up quickly, so understanding them can help you make more informed banking decisions.
What is Nedbank to Capitec Cellphone Banking transfer?
Cell phone banking is a service that allows you to perform banking transactions using your mobile phone. In our context, this means transferring money from your Nedbank account to a Capitec account. You don't need internet data, just a functioning mobile device.
How much does it cost?
Now, the main question we're addressing today: how much does this transfer cost? Well, the cost depends on multiple factors, such as the amount you're transferring and the specific pricing model of your bank. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the banks haven't publicly stated a fixed cost for such transfers. It's important to keep in mind that banks periodically update their fee structures. To get the most accurate information, it's recommended to contact Nedbank directly or check their latest pricing guide on their website.
Are there any ways to reduce these fees?
Yes, there are ways you can reduce these fees. Some banks offer lower fees or even free transfers if you maintain a certain account balance or fulfill other requirements. Again, the specifics vary between different banks and account types, so it's important to review the terms and conditions associated with your account. In conclusion, to understand the charges for transferring money from Nedbank to Capitec using cell phone banking, it's best to contact your bank directly or check their most recent fee structure. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding your bank fees, you can make smarter financial decisions. I hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.